The Quran, the holy book of the religion of Islam, consists of 114 surahs, or chapters. The greatest of these surahs is called Al-Fatiha, or the opening chapter. This particular surah is the first mentioned in the Quran, and is recited in each prayer of the 5 daily prayers each Muslim is supposed to perform. Al-Fatiha, although is considered a short surah, but it comprises the meanings of the Islamic doctrine or core beliefs. A Fatiha consists of 7 ayat or verses, and it reads as follows. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds, most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. Thee do we worship, and thine aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom thou hast bestowed thy grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Thanks for watching. May Allah guide us to the straight path.